Hey, guys, welcome to another video. Today, we will talk about 5 key things that you must quit now to become successful. But before then, if you are new to Mindset Hustle, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, leave your comment below about what you like to see next on our YouTube channel. Number 1. Trying to please everyone at the same time. It's simply impossible, and if you devote your entire life to achieving this goal, you'll exhaust yourself beyond endurance. And you'll probably feel like a failure because it's simply impossible to achieve. Don't put yourself in that situation. Be kind and respectful to others, and do your best to love your neighbor as you love yourself. Be a decent human being. If you follow those guidelines, you will have done everything you possibly could. Number 2. Change is something to be feared. Change can be extremely frightening, and there is no doubt about it. Many times, however, once we get past the, often irrational, fear, we'll discover opportunities that would have never presented themselves in any other way. Deciding to evict yourself from your home and family to relocate to another city can be daunting, but it may also open your eyes to how vast the world is, so there's much to see. While leaving a job you don't enjoy can be risky, pursuing a dream or a passion can be similar to falling in love in that everything suddenly becomes vivid in color. Furthermore, witnessing yourself overcome fear, overcome obstacles, and thrive is quite frankly, even more satisfying than falling in love at times. Number 3. Stuck in the mud of yesterday. Knowing when you've made a blunder, learning from your mistakes, and making amends for things you've done wrong is essential. It's what it means to be a responsible and mature person. However, dwelling on one's mistakes is an entirely different story. Dwelling does not improve or change anything. It doesn't mend the broken hearts we've caused, nor does it restore the broken friendships we've forged. It only serves to make us miserable. Don't even think about going there. Do everything you can to salvage what you can, and then put your faith in the fact that what is supposed to happen will. And that you've done everything you can to keep your conscience clear. Keep yourself from being imprisoned by regret. Instead, choose to live a life of freedom. Number 4. Negative self-talk. We all do. We do it to make others and ourselves laugh. It's appealing to be comfortable enough in one's skin to let go. Don't be so severe. It's not healthy to blame yourself when you make a mistake or when someone else has wronged you. Chronically harsh self-talk can cause serious harm. After all, we hear our thoughts the most during the day. Let us learn grace. Plus, check out 3 ways positive self-talk can improve your life. Number 5. We overthink. This point relates to point 3. Stuck in yesterday's mud, but it also applies to the present. For all the overthinking and second-guessing, it's easy to get caught up in perfectionism. We are often attempting to control what other people think of us, which brings us back to point 1 of these lists. So why do we care so much about other people's views? Is it possible that it relates to point 4, negative self-talk? Because if we don't like ourselves, it's difficult to believe that anyone else does as well. According to one of the textbooks I was reading at the time, many of us, we spend too much time worrying about what other people think of us when they don't care. We are self-centered individuals who prioritize our interests above those of others. As a result, the person you are worried about is likely preoccupied with their worries or personal events. That must have been a huge relief, right? Thank you, guys, for watching. Let us know in the comments section below if you love the content we bring you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, Leave your comment below about what you like to see next on our YouTube channel and share this video with others.